Do you know that in 2026, many websites give you money for completing simple online tasks? It sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not. You can get paid for all kinds of straightforward digital jobs that don't require special skills or long hours. If you're looking to make some extra cash or even create a steady income from the comfort of your home, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the top 8 websites that pay for simple online tasks. These platforms offer easy ways to make money without any technical expertise. Stick with us as we explore each one and show you how you can start earning today. 1. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is one of the most popular platforms where you can earn money by completing a variety of simple tasks. Whether you enjoy watching videos, taking surveys, or even playing games, Swagbucks rewards you for these activities. The platform uses SP points, which can later be redeemed for PayPal cash or gift cards to well-known retailers like Amazon, Walmart, and more. You can start earning as soon as you sign up, and the tasks are incredibly easy to complete, perfect for anyone who wants to make a few extra bucks in their free time. The best part about Swagbucks is that you're not limited to just one type of activity. You can earn points by shopping online, watching ads, or even just using the platform daily. Plus, with Swagbucks' flexible reward options, you can pick between PayPal cash or gift cards depending on what suits you. For beginners, the minimum payout is usually low, so you don't have to wait long to get your first rewards. 2. JumpTask. JumpTask offers another excellent platform for completing simple online tasks, and what's more, it has one of the lowest payout thresholds in the industry. Tasks on JumpTask range from social media engagement to image labeling and even game testing. As a digital task platform, JumpTask makes it easy for anyone to get involved and start earning. Even better, you only need to reach a 50-cent threshold before you can withdraw your earnings. This site stands out due to its focus on quick tasks that can be completed in minutes. Whether you're sharing a post on social media or testing a new game, JumpTask makes earning money feel effortless. The platform also makes sure you're paid right after completing your task, so you don't have to wait days or weeks like with some other sites. Its simplicity and accessibility make it a top choice for anyone looking to earn money online quickly, with tasks being both fun and rewarding. For anyone looking to start earning without committing to large, time-consuming jobs, JumpTask is a great option. 3. Prolific. Prolific is a platform that stands out by offering higher-paying tasks for those who prefer more intellectual work. It connects users with academic research studies where you'll be paid to participate in surveys, experiments, and other research activities. Prolific is known for paying a solid $8 per hour on average for tasks and allows for near-instant withdrawals to PayPal once you've earned at least $6. What makes Prolific even better is that the surveys are often more interesting and intellectually stimulating than traditional survey sites. You're contributing to actual research, helping scholars and researchers gain valuable insights into a wide variety of subjects. Plus, the tasks typically pay better than regular surveys, making it a fantastic option for those looking to earn more for their time. While there are no instant payouts, the $6 minimum threshold is achievable quickly, and because of Prolific's focus on higher quality studies, you won't feel like you're wasting your time. It's a great way to earn money while learning something new. 4. User testing. User testing offers a fantastic opportunity for those who want to get paid to test websites and apps. By simply recording your screen and voice, you can provide valuable feedback to businesses on how well their digital platforms work. Standard tests typically pay $10 for 20 minutes, and once you've completed enough tests, you can begin to receive daily payouts. For more in-depth tasks, like live interviews, you can earn much more. This platform allows you to share your genuine thoughts and opinions as you navigate websites or apps, making it an enjoyable and straightforward way to earn money. The best part is that you don't need any special technical skills, just a computer and a willingness to share your experience. Since companies are always looking for fresh perspectives, your feedback could help them refine their digital offerings while you're getting paid for your time. If you enjoy testing products and giving opinions, user testing is a great way to make money from the comfort of your home. 5. Clickworker. Clickworker is a crowdsourcing platform where you can complete a variety of small jobs, from writing and editing to web research and AI training. The platform is simple to use and pays you once a week via PayPal after you meet the €10 threshold. Since Clickworker offers a range of tasks, you can choose what works best for you, and there's no need to worry about long-term commitments. With Clickworker, you'll be able to manage your time as you like. Whether it's answering questions, writing short texts, or testing products, you can find tasks that fit into your schedule. It's a great option for anyone who needs flexibility while earning money online. As a click worker, you can steadily build up your earnings by completing tasks at your own pace without being locked into one kind of job. This platform allows you to make money from home with minimal effort, making it a valuable resource for freelancers or anyone looking for extra income. 6. Amazon Mechanical Turk Turk. Turk, operated by Amazon, has been one of the oldest and most established microjob sites. It's a great place for freelancers looking for high-volume, repeatable tasks like image tagging, transcription, or surveys. Turk's human intelligence tasks hits are typically quick and easy to complete, making it a great side hustle for anyone looking to maximize their earnings by working on multiple small tasks at once. Since the tasks are often high in quantity and low in complexity, Turk is a great platform for people looking to make money without requiring special skills. You can work on tasks during your free time, which makes it a flexible income stream. Although the pay for each task might seem small, completing many tasks can quickly add up. Many workers find that Turk is a reliable source of extra income, especially if they consistently complete high-volume hits. As one of the longest-running microjob sites, Turk remains a strong option for anyone looking to earn money online with minimal commitment. 7. Toka. Toka is an AI-based platform that offers small tasks to improve machine learning algorithms, such as evaluating content and search relevance. With a very low withdrawal threshold starting at just 20 cents, you can quickly begin cashing out your earnings, making Toka one of the most accessible platforms for newcomers to online work. Since Toka is designed to improve AI systems, it offers a variety of tasks such as rating images, verifying content, and testing how well AI tools perform. The best part: you don't need any specialized knowledge to get started. Just follow simple instructions to help improve algorithms. It's a great way to earn money while contributing to the advancement of AI technology. Whether you're looking for a simple way to make extra cash or want to dive into a unique field of work, Toka makes it easy to get started and start earning. 8. Free Cash. Free Cash offers a fun and gamified approach to completing microtasks and earning money. On this platform, you can complete tasks like testing apps, playing mobile games, and filling out surveys. What sets Free Cash apart from other platforms is its instant payout feature, meaning you don't have to wait days or weeks to see your earnings. The platform keeps things exciting by offering rewards, bonuses, and leaderboards for top earners. It's a great way to make money while enjoying games or apps in your free time. Whether you're looking for a casual way to earn or a more consistent income stream, Free Cash has something for everyone. With daily tasks and instant payouts, it's one of the easiest ways to start earning money online with minimal effort. So there you have it, the top 8 websites where you can earn money by completing simple tasks online. From taking surveys to testing websites or managing content, these platforms offer low barriers to entry, making them perfect for anyone looking to make extra money from the comfort of their home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to boost your online income and make the most of your time. Let us know in the comments which platform you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.